so we've got the suspension done, the shock absorbers. So it's just getting a bit dark now. So what we're going to do is the last job, which had to be done tonight, and that is the Terrain Tamer fuel filter. Now I picked up some bad diesel, had the light coming on inside the car, and you know when that happens, the first thing you want to be doing is changing that fuel filter. You know, you don't want to leave that because it's just the sheer cost of damage that is being done. I mean, you're talking thousands up to, you know, 5-10 grand worth of damage you really do not want. So as simple as it is, it's like a paper filter, and you get everything you need in there. Of course, Terrain Tamer, they make sure that you have everything. It's got a paper filter, and that basically drops inside here. So what we're going to do is let's start removing some bits. Like so. Making sure it's nice and clean in there. Trick is to make sure that you haven't got dirt all around you, so that I mean, it's literally black inside here. I can't tip it up to show you. What I'm going to try and do is just drain off some of this fuel and see if we can see the sedimentation on the bottom. I mean, it is really, really bad. Right, I tried to get the sediment out, but as I went to tip the diesel, it all came out. But this is like horrific inside here. So your Terrain Tamer filter comes like that, in a bag, nice and clean. Do not forget to get this off, the old one, because if you end up doubling it up, you won't be getting a good seal. So you just want to pop that back in the top like so. You do just want to lubricate this at the top with a little bit of oil. Right, so the procedure to prime it is exactly this. So you want to leave the top connector off. We're going to put that on after because that is for the reset mode. And you just want to keep pumping on top like this.
Hi guys, so basically what's happened here is we've lost the sound, unfortunately. So all I'm doing is I'm priming up the fuel filter there, and I'm going to start the engine, and you'll see it just vibrates into life there. It then cuts off. I come back, I reprime again, and then I go back and start the vehicle, and that's it. It runs perfectly. As for the reset mode, all you do is you leave the top connector off, you go and turn the ignition on to number 2, not start, and then you come back, you plug that connector on, you get back inside the car, you put your foot on the brake and you start it, and that basically turns the light off on the dashboard. So it's pretty straightforward. On that second time that I start it, it starts perfectly, and that's it, that's job done. And I'm just explaining there about using the quality parts of Terrain Tamer to make sure that you get your optimum performance out of your vehicle.
Alright guys, cheers for watching that video. I hope it's helped somebody out who could be in this situation right now and probably not in as comfortable position as I've been in here. But yeah, just let's just see, all the tools that I've used tonight have been tools that I carry with me. So the drill, where I've had to drill out that bolt and things like that, all stuff that I carry with me. So if I've been, you know, I've just actually, now since I've been away, there's not a tool that I haven't actually used. Even, you know, the electrical stuff, I've used all of that. So yeah, no, we've definitely got the useful stuff out. Cheers for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell button to get notified when new videos come up. And like I say, I hope this helps somebody out. Cheers for watching. See you in the next one.